Good morning to all. Sit in Sukhasana. Hands resting on the knees in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Asato ma sadgamaya tamasho ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Santihi Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Namaha.
Now we switch on to neck movement in standing position. Now please stand. Now place your both hands on your hip. Stand erect. Close your eyes. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Inhale. Bring your head up, stretching backwards. Be aware of your neck bones. Repeat it for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we switch over to the next portion. Neck turning movement. Exhale. Turn your head to your right side. Inhale. Bring it to normal position. Exhale. Turn your head to your left side. Inhale. Bring it to normal position. Now repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. After every movement, you have to breathe in, breathe out very slowly. Now we switch on to the next movement, neck sideways bending movement. Exhale, bend your head to the right side of your body. Inhale, bring it to the normal position. Exhale, bend your head to the left side of your body. Inhale, bring it to the normal position. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, 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 relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now the next movement is neck rotation movement. Exhale, bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Rotate your head from right side to the halfway. Inhale, complete the rotation, bringing to the normal position. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now we do it anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now release your hands. Now we start hand movements. Hand movements help us relieve stress in the hands. They also help us strengthening the muscles. The first one is fingers clenching movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, close your fingers covering your thumb. Inhale, release your fingers. Now repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now put your hands down. Relax. Now we go to the wrist bending movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, bring your palm downwards. Inhale, bring your both palms upwards. Now repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Put your hands down. Now relax. Slowly inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After every movement, after you complete every movement, you slowly inhale 2 times and you slowly exhale 2 times. Inhale, exhale. Now we start wrist rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Fold your fingers and rotate your wrist clockwise. Repeat this for 4 times. Now, do the same in anti-clockwise for 4 times. Relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now we start elbow bending movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Your palms should face upwards. Exhale, place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Inhale, release. Now we do it for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Put your hands down. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now we start shoulder rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Face your palms upwards. Exhale. Place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Join your elbows. Inhale. Rotate your elbow clockwise to the halfway. Now exhale. Bring them to normal position. Now we repeat this 3 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now we do the same in anti-clockwise. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Put your hands down. Now relax. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let's switch over to Vrikshasana. Now look at the technique of this Vrikshasana. First, Samasthiti. Now bring your right leg up with your right hand and place it in to touch your heel, the pelvis part. Now raise your hands slowly above the head in Namaskara Mudra. Now put your hands down slowly and release your right leg. Samasthiti. Now bring your left leg up with your left hand and place it to touch your heel, the pelvis part. Now raise your hands slowly above your head in Namaskar Mudra. Put your hands down slowly. And release your left leg. Relax. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Now let's switch over to Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Now look at the technique here in doing Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Samasthiti. Inhale. Slowly raise your hand up to your head and exhale. Bend your body to the other side. Inhale and bring it to natural position. Exhale and bring down your hand slowly. Now the other side of your body. Inhale, slowly raise your hand to your head, bend your body to the other side. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Bring your body to the natural position. Exhale. Bring your hand down. Repeat one more time. Inhale. Raise your hand. Exhale. Bend your body. Inhale. Natural position. Exhale. Bring it down. The other side. Inhale. Raise your hand up to your head. Exhale. Bend your body to the other side. Inhale. Bring it to the natural position. Exhale. Bring your hand down. Relax. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let us repeat all the steps one by one. Step 1. Pranamasana. Step 2. Hasta Uttasana. Step 3. Pada Hastasana. Step 4. Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 5. Dandasana. Step 6. Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7. Bhujangasana. Step 8. Parvatasana. Step 9. Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 10. Padahastasana. Step 11. Hasta Uttasana. Pranamasana. Relax. Raise your hands up. Bring your hands down. Now, let us repeat all the steps one more time. Step 1. Pranamasana. Step 2. Hasta Uttasana. Step 3. Padahastasana. Step 4. Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 5. Dandasana. Step 6. Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7. Bhujangasana. Step 8. Parvatasana. Step 9. Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 10. Padahastasana. Step 11. Hasta Uttasana. Step 12. Pranamasana. Now relax. Raise your hands up. Slowly bring them down. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let us repeat all the steps one by one. Step 1 Pranamasana. Step 2 Hasta Uttanasana. Step 3 Padahastasana. Step 4 Ashwasanchalanasana. Step 5 Dandasana. Step 6 Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7 Bhujangasana. Step 8 Parvatasana. Step 9 Ashwasanchalanasana. Step 10 Padahastasana. Step 11 Hasta Uttasana. Step 12 Pranamasana. Now relax. Raise your hands up. Bring them slowly, bring them down. Breathe in, breathe out.
Yoga Nidra. The yogic power nap and why you need it. You need to know it. Yoga brings deep rest to the body and mind. It is not only rejuvenates your mind but also adds vigor to the body. It's a good idea to end your daily yoga practice with Yoga Nidra or yogic sleep. Simply described as effortless relaxation, Yoga Nidra is essential end to any yoga pose sequence. While yoga poses warm up the body, Yoga Nidra cools it down. This closing yoga asana involves consciously taking your attention to different parts of body and relaxing them. Yoga practices increase the energy levels in the body. Yoga Nidra helps conserve and consolidate this energy and relax the entire system, thereby preparing it for this energy for pranayama and meditation. It is therefore important to keep aside sufficient time for Yoga Nidra in your yoga time. How to do Yoga Nidra? So there are some steps that tell you how to do this Yoga Nidra. Let us see them. Lie down straight on your back in calf's pose, that is Shavasana. Close your eyes and relax. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Remember to take slowly and relaxed breaths 2 to 5 times. Start gently, taking your attention to your right foot. Keep your attention and concentration there for a few seconds while relaxing your foot. Then gently move your attention up to the right knee, right thigh, and hip. Become aware of your whole right leg. Repeat the same process to the left side. That is, concentrate now on left foot. Keep your attention there for a few seconds while relaxing your foot. Then gently move your attention up to the left knee, left thigh, and hip. Now become aware of your whole left leg. Pay your attention to the all parts of body, stomach, relax, navel region, relax, and chest, relax. Pay your attention to the right shoulder, right arm, palms, and fingers. Repeat this on the left shoulder, left arm, throat, face, and finally to the top of head. Take a deep breath in and observe the sensations in your body. Relax in this position for a few minutes. Slowly aware of your body and surroundings. Turn your right side, lying down for a few more minutes, rolling over to the right side and makes the breath flow through the left nostril, which helps cool the body. Take your own time. You may then slowly sit up, and whenever you feel comfortable, slowly and gradually open your eyes.
Now let us see the meaning of Surya Bhedana. In yogic terminology, the right nostril referred to the gateway of sun energy or Pingala Nadi, and left nostril is gateway of moon energy or Ida Nadi. Sun energy is the representation of heart or masculine vitality in the body, while moon energy represents calmness or feminine vitality. If we go by the literal meaning of Surya Bhedana, Surya means sun, Bhedana means piercing or entering. Surya Bhedana Pranayama is the deep inhalation of breath through the right nostril, then holding the breath for as long as comfortable, and finally exhaling through the left nostril. Now sit in any comfortable position, but sit erect. Form Prana Mudra with your right hand. When you close your right nostril, use your right thumb. When you close your left nostril, use your right finger, ring finger, and little finger. Is the deep inhalation of breath through the right nostril, then holding the breath for as long as comfortable, and finally exhaling through the left nostril. Let us do it. Inhale through right nostril, hold it for some time. Exhale it through left nostril. Now repeat this. Inhale through right nostril, hold it for some time. Exhale through left nostril. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Relax. Let us move on to the next one, Bhramari Pranayama. It is also known as humming bee breath. Let us see the benefits of this posture. Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tension. It also helps elevating anger, anxiety, and insomnia. Now, sit in a comfortable meditation asana. Close the eyes and relax the whole body for a short time. Put your index fingers in both of your ears and start listening to the humming sound within your body. The humming sound should be smooth, even, and continuous for the duration of the exhalation.
Relax.
Start Swasti prayer.
ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां शान्ति भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम नमः। ओम नमः।
Thank you.